In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit assignments through Google Classroom. There are different assignments that you'll come across throughout this unit, so there's different ways to turn them in. One of the first assignments is a question or a discussion assignment. When you go through your classwork, you'll see all your assignments. To open it up, you want to click on the name of it and then click View Question. Once you click on View Question, you'll have your assignment, and then you'll begin to type your answer. Once you are ready to turn it in, you want to click on this blue Turn In button. Now, if you notice, before I started typing, the Turn In button was gray. I was not able to submit it. So make sure you have your answer fully completed before you hit the blue Turn In button. Then it will notify me that you have turned that assignment in. Another assignment that you will have is an assignment that does not necessarily require you to use Google Docs or Google Slides, but has an outside source that you will go to and complete. So this is an example. Once all I did was click on it and click View Assignment, and I was able to see here's the link to the assignment I need to go to, as well as another resource for this. Now, my work, according to how your instructor wants you to turn it in, you will probably need to either add something through Google Drive, a link or a file to show you have completed it, or you can create a docs, a slide, or a sheet, whatever is in the syllabus that your instructor would like you to complete to turn in. Once you have added that, you can click on this blue Mark as Done button. Once you click Mark as Done, then your work, it'll ask you, are you sure? Click Mark as Done, and your work will be marked as done. Now, once you do have it marked as done, you cannot go in and edit your work. The only way to go in and edit your work is to come and hit the Unsubmit button. Now, this is only before your instructor grades it. If your instructor has already graded it, you cannot unsubmit it. So you click Unsubmit, and then you can come back and add whatever files you would need to add. Let's go back to our classwork page. Ooh, close this one. Now, there are also other assignments on here that are not something that you will need to necessarily turn in, such as these are just materials. So if I open this up and click View Material, it is just a material. There is nothing that I need to turn in. So pay attention to the icons next to the assignment to see what exactly it is and what exactly your instructor needs you to turn in through Google Classroom.